Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to overwrite lot number or rates. To begin, navigate to the Inventory module from the main menu and open the Overwrite Lot Number or Rates window. Select the required item name along with the corresponding lot number for which the rate needs to be modified, and then click Refresh to proceed. Before making any modifications, let us first go to the sale bill. Here, when you transact an item, the current rates are applied by default. If you want to edit the rate directly in the sale bill, you need to press F5 on the lot or batch column, but editing each lot one by one can be time-consuming. To simplify this process, we have a utility that allows you to edit or override both the lot number and the lot rates at the same time. The rate you define here will be automatically picked up in the sale bill when you select that particular lot. If you want to change rates item by item, you can do so easily. However, if you need to edit or override the rates of all items at once, simply press F3 in the column and define the rate. The rates of all items will be overwritten accordingly. Once done, save the changes. Now let's get back to the sale bill window and initiate a new transaction. Enter the item, and you will clearly see that the batch number has been overwritten along with the updated rates. To track both old and new rates, there is a dedicated report available. From the menu bar, go to Reports and Queries, click on Item Reports, and open the item-wise rate change history report. Select the required items and generate the report. Here, you can clearly view the old and new values of the sale rate and MRP.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.